Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your portfolio website using Wix. So Wix is a web builder website that actually help you to create a creative website to show or showcase your creative work, and you can approach your client, or client actually can approach to you through your website. So you can customize your website to attract the customers or attract the clients and hook them up with your portfolio website by creating it with Wix. So Wix is a powerful web builder that will help you in SEO and customization of your website and different type of animation that actually is pretty good. Now you can just simply click on get started to start building your web page. Now you can continue with your Google or Facebook account, or you can manually enter your email address and you can enter the password here, but I'm going with my Google account here, so I'm going to select it. Now simply click on continue. Now here you can see I have just used my Google account. Now from here, who are you creating website for? So if you creating it for yourself, then you can simply select the first one, and if it's for another one, then you can select the second one. Now simply click on continue. Then here is a section where you can build your website by using the power of AI. So I'm going to avoid this, or I'm going to set up without this AI help. So I'm going to simply click on set up without chat. Then you can find this, that what type of website do you want to create. So here you can find different types of category. So one of them are portfolio. You can simply select portfolio and what type of portfolio you want to create, or what work do you offer for your clients. So for example, if you are a designer, you can go with design portfolio. Then if you are a film student, so you can go with this, or if you are a developer, then you can go with developer portfolio. Different types of portfolio that you can create. So I'm going to go with design portfolio. Now simply click on continue. Now here you can see it is just preparing my dashboard where I can control my web page. I can set up my web page, and I can customize each and every web page that my website have. So here is the website name. So I'm going to set a name from here, like anything like. Now simply click on continue. So give your WhatsApp name and that Wix apps that helps you to create a portfolio. So here is some recommendation that you should go with to create your portfolio website. So here is an app that is already built in, that is portfolio, that will help you to create your portfolio. Then bookings are blogs. So booking is also needed in a portfolio website. You can go with this blog app. So you can post a blog according to your niche, or upon your work, or different types of topics of your work, or design sector, or your work sector. Then you can select the online store, so you can sell your products if you want. So pricing plan is, you can add your pricing plan for your works here. Then you can add forms, so get subscriber and get some information about your clients, and you can gather some leads. Then chats, videos also. Then I can add some, no, I'm not anything. So simply that's enough. Now simply click on continue. Now here you can see we are all set. Now simply click on continue dashboard. And here you can see the first step is done. So we have updated our site type here. Now you have to add a custom domain. So you can get a custom domain from your GoDaddy, Namecheap, and many more like GoDaddy, Namecheap, and the name.com, and also Bluehost. Anything that you can Hostinger. Actually, Hostinger is one of the great platform where you can buy host, a domain and hosting for your website. Now add a project to your portfolio. Now you can add a project, so you can simply click on add project. So you can add your project here. So choose all of the types of work you would like to showcase. So if you design website, then you can select a web design. or branding or illustrations, or you can select different types of things like typography or other. So if it's other, then you can add something like social media product banner. So just like this. And illustration, not web design, not illustration. So I'm going to add this like this. Yes, now simply tap on next. Now upload your image. So you can simply click on upload your from your computer, or you can import from Wix Media Manager. So I'm going to upload. You have to, if you are a designer, so you have to upload your designs from your web page. So I'm going to upload some of my design. This is, and you can add multiple images. You can simply add an image, so you can simply upload multiple images if you want. So just like this. Now you can set up without AI, so you can set up it without AI, or you can generate that project with the project with AI, help of AI. So you can create portfolio. So let me show you how you can generate projects. So you can simply click on generate. Now it will analyze it in your images. Now here it has just analyzed the topic and the description for your actually these images, the design. So if you don't like it, then you can do it manually. So you can add your project title, and you can add description that can hook persons, hook the client, and they make sure that you have add interesting and engageable title and description, so power persons can get your project or get to you. Now from here you can easily edit that, or you can delete one, you can edit that, or you can share that product, or you can project actually, and you can duplicate it, or you can hide it from your web page, and you also can delete it. Now you can also add some other project here by tap on this add project button. Now from here you can find the blog, where you can ask we can actually submit the blog here. Now booking calendars, here is the booking calendars that anyone can book you. So set up service, you can set up a calendar where you can set up some plans, and you can add some booking for you, so client can book appointment with you. Then get paid here, this get paid section. Now from here you can actually set up a payment method that you can get paid by online by your customers. So you can simply click on connect paid method. So here is manual payment, so you can simply click on connect. Now here is the settings where you can add the manual this payment here, or you can add cash payment or offline payment, cash on delivery, anything. So I'm setting the manual payment. Now you can add some instruction that for your customers, that how to pay to you. So you can add something like credit card, credit or debit card only. So you can simply click on connect. Now you have to connect your credentials here. So for that you have to upgrade to the premium version on Wix, so you can enjoy more premium feature on the Wix website to build your Wix website more perfect. And also here is a plan for Wix. So here you can see some plan that you can get here. So it will actually help you to create a great portfolio website that you can go with. Now from here home, now go to the setup section again, and design your website. Now it's time to design our website. So we can design our website with a customizable template, or we can generate a template with AI. So I'm going to pick a template from here. So simply click on pick a template. Then from here you can find different types of template that you can use. So there's a lot of things. So this template is much interesting, so you can go with that, or you can yes, I'm going to edit that. Simply click on edit template. And then if you want to connect this template with your domain, so I'm going to show you after showing you how you can edit this template. Now from here you can find that it's template that it is adding all the things, all the necessary sections and all the necessary features, widgets to your website. So wait till it load properly. So here you can see I have just added all of this. It has just added all of the things that necessary for your web page. Now here is a tab that you can enhance your AI content. So you can publish different type of content to customize your web page and make it interesting by power of AI. So you have to write about your site. So I'm going to write a little about my site, like yeah. Now here you can see I have added the description for my content here. Now you can change your type here. So I'm going to generate this site text here. So it is creating the text. So let's see if it's create a text perfectly. So here is something for my portfolio here that actually showcases my designs like this. So that is not actually my designs, it is actually AI generated images. So you can edit each and every section from here. You can simply click on quick edit button here, then you can find this background here. So you can change that image, or you can section background here. You can add the background as transparent or any type of image. So it is actually the stripe background, that is actually your image. So you can change it by tap on that. I'm going to change our image right now, so I'm going to simply click on change. Now for upload that image, you can simply click on image here. So here you can see image background here. So you can upload it by your site, my files here. You can site files. So from here you can find that this all the images that you have just uploaded, I have just uploaded. So I'm going to add one here, so just like this, and view project here on the, I'm going to make some quick settings here on the layout here and add section. So this actually here, that's how you can see that I have just explained that section here just like this. So just like this you can let me show you. This is the section where you can add something. So you can add, simply click on add elements. So you can add some text here that you can add heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3, also all type of headings, and the paragraph that you want to add, you can find different types of this font style here. You can find this paragraph style and text marquee, and also the text masks that you can add it. So you can add this here like this, and it is actually animated and it looks pretty cool. So you can add some section also. You can add this type of section if you want. So this is actually welcome section, about section, team, contact, promotions and services. So you can add some services section also. You can simply tap on it, and this is actually the service section where you can add some images or add some designs for you that actually looks pretty much cool actually. So now from here, this is actually where you can add your menu here. This is the site menu. So you can create a menu by tap on this add menu item here. Then you can find different types of menu that you can add, or right now you can add a new page here. For example, click on new page and you can find the page layout. So I'm going to add a page here. So like this, the page here. So about, it is about page here, so simply tap on done. So this is actually my about page, and I'm going to see the default about page here. So default one is great. So that's how you can create about page, and you can upload your image here, or you can get this new one. So you can delete a page here by simply tap on delete button here, simple 3 dot and delete, and you can delete a page easily. Then from here you can simply click on the 3 dot button, and you can go with this SEO basics. You can make some settings, like you can change the layout, you can change the page information, permissions also, who can see your pages, and the SEO basics. So here is advanced SEO that you can make, so your page can rank on Google search, like search engine result page. So like this, and I'm going to add something. Now from here you can find the site theme. So you can change the color of this theme here, then the text of the theme, the text size, the text for the font style, also the page background. So actually it's all up to you how you can actually customize your portfolio, or how you can showcase your works so it can attract the customers or clients so you can get profitable. From here you can find some apps, that apps integration, that Wix app market. So there is pretty much cool integration app that will help you to add some like Wix AI side chat. So it will add AI to get a live chat so people can get help with that AI, this chat box. Also you can add some Google Ads also, then Klaviyo, and also some like Fairer reviews. If you want to add a review section, then Fairer reviews can help you to add some review option with a star rating feature. Then here is some my business, where you can handle your business here, your subscriptions, your customers, your payment also. And this is actually the photo section that you have added till now, all the photos that you can find in site files. And also you can find some free Wix images that you can use. This is actually stock images. You can find starter stock images that you can use, and also some videos. Now from here, this is the CMS, so you can add some CMS, custom CMS, some custom HTML code in your site here. Now you can see the preview here by tap on this preview button here, so you can see the preview. So it's look like this. So it's pretty much cool, right? Yeah, I like that very much here. So you can upgrade this to Wix premium version to get more attractive and more feature unlocked to create a perfect portfolio site for you. Then you can simply click on publish button here to publish your website online with a custom domain. So you also can add some custom domains if you want to. So you can simply click on this publish. So here it will ask you that here is that my site is published on live online right now. Now you can complete the setup by entering a custom domain if you want so. So here is the site here, so you can get found on Google, so you can get started, and you can go with this SEO checklist. So for that you can simply click on get started, and you can complete the prompted step in this section. So you can do all the SEO tricks on your page, so your page can get ranked on the Google search engine page. Now in home section you can find all the data about your page here. So you can find all the data like the site session, the total sales, total orders, and booking also. So you can find the graphs and all the activities that are currently happening on your page. So that's pretty much cool. Hope you got all of this. Now it's up to you how you can customize your portfolio site and you can get profitable. Thanks for watching, and subscribe our channel for next tutorial video.